Hey there, I'm Aishwarya Lama, the product demonstrator for Cornea. So today I'll be demonstrating you about one of the best feature that our interactive panel provides, that is the Whiteboard software. This is Cornea Write Pro. So I'll be mentioning about all the features it provides, starting from background changing, all the things are available here. Apart from that, we also have mode which is applicable over here and available over here. We'll be able to use the AI companion mode with this. Apart from this, we have handwrite option as well and the text option as well. Now, if you don't want to write something, if you want to text it, if you want to type it, you will be able to do it with the help of this option. Just I typed something and you can see, you'll be able to increase and decrease the size. We also have a feature from text to speech. Both the male and female voice are available. Like this is a male voice, this is a female voice, okay? Apart from this, we also have many other features which you can see in the more section. From broadcasting, if you want to broadcast any information, you'll be able to do it with the help of this option. Next option, you can see there are other options as well which will be very beneficial for you. We have many content, for example, maths content, like these all are the formulas of the maths. Like for example, if you want a trigonometry solution, trigonometry formula, just click to it, you'll be able to see it here. Now, if you want to make a customization or if you want to change this formula and do it yourself, you'll be able to do it too. Okay? You'll be able to do it. Once you click to insert, you'll be able to see it here. Apart from this, you get functions option, you get shapes option, you have the chemical equations as well. All the chemical equations are available over here. If you want to make some changes, you'll be able to do that too. This is a periodic table option where you'll be able to see all those elements in the periodic section. If you want it as atomic number, you'll be able to do that. If you want it as atomic structure, you'll be able to do that. And if you want to know about any specific element, that option is also provided by just clicking to it. Now there is one more option of annotating. If you want to annotate here, you'll be able to annotate. Next option which we have here is of circuit. You can see the live circuit here. The electricity is passing by. Now if you want a different template for this, we have a lot of template, you'll be able to do that. Now if you want to do a live session, if you want to do a practical thing, like by just connecting a wire, I'll be able to do that. Now you can see this is connected. Now you can see the electricity is not flowing by because this circuit is wrong. So with the help of this, you'll be able to tell your students. Next option is the planets. Next option is the planets. All the planets are available. 3D model. Biology. This is the biology option. These are all the 3D models which we provide. Last but not the least, we have this music option. You can just play anything. You can play it here. And this was about the software which we have. And just for more information, please visit Cornea World. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much. Have a good day.